Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing great and having fun. Let's get started with our online maths class, like morning maths class. We are here to have our morning maths class. These classes are going to help the students of primary grade. So let's get started. Children, if you remember the last few classes, we were doing multiplication, right? Okay, so tell me how many of you remember that? How many of you remember that we were doing multiplication? Great. So here, let's get started. And children, as you know that these sessions are going live on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get daily updates. Over here, let's continue with multiplication. Let's work out some numericals. Multiplication of a two-digit and a single-digit numbers mentally. That's what we did in the last few classes. Let's quickly revise that first, and then we will move on to a new thing. Okay, so over here, 47 times 8 or 8 times 47, both of them will give you the same answer. Okay, so 47 can be broken down into 40 plus 7, right? So first we will do 8 times 40, then we will do 8 times 7. Over here, 8 times 40 plus 8 times 7. 8 times 4 is 32. So 320 will be the answer because there is one zero. Then it's 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. So 320 plus 56 is 376. Now let's verify. Verify means let's check here. 47 times 8. 8 times 7 is 56. You know that. So 5 will come over here. 6 will be here. Now 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 5. Wait, yeah, 32 plus 5, 37. So the answer is 376. Let's do the other one. 4 times, yeah. So here it is 4 times 73. Children, let's do this and then I will give you time to do it by yourself, okay? Yeah. So here it is 4 times 73. Just break down this 73. Expanded form of this 73 is 70 plus 3. So 70 plus 3. First, we are going to do 4 times 70 plus 4 times 3. So 4 times 70, like 4 times 7, 28. So 4 times 70 will be 280. Okay. And plus 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So 280 plus 12 is 292. Let's check. Let's verify. So 4 times 3 is 12. 1 here, 2 here. 4 times 7, 28. 28 plus 1, 29. 292 is the answer. Okay? 292 is the answer. Now we'll try the other one. Let's see if we have 5 times 65. Children, I'm giving you time to do this by yourself. 5 times 65. Come on, come on. I hope it's done. So if it's 65, we can write 65 as 60 plus 5, right? So first we will do 5 times 60, then we will do 5 times 5. 5 times 60 and 5 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 and 1 0, 300. 5 times 5 is 25. 300 plus 25 is 325. Next, let's verify this. So 5 times 5 is 25. 2 here, 5 here. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 325 is the answer. Good job. Now, we will see, like this is something new that we are going to do today. There is one more thing, but yeah, this is the first one. Multiplication of a 3-digit and a single-digit number. We will do this mentally. 3-digit and a single-digit number. Okay, So earlier we were doing only 2 digits. Now it's the time to do 3 digits. 5 times 234. Simple, children. Like when we were multiplying 2 digits by 1 digit, it was like there were two children and one student. Sorry, two children or maybe two students and one teacher. So how to do this? It's three students and one teacher. I'll tell you how to do it. But here, let's do it with a breakdown method. 234 can be written as 200 plus 30 plus 4. 5 times, okay, so here, why did we do it by 2? Let me see. Hold on, just a moment. Yep. So first we will do it here as 5 times 200 plus 5 times 30 plus 5 times 4. Okay. Yeah. So 5 times 200, 5 twos are, wait, little bit. Yeah. 5 twos are 10. So yeah. 5 times, wait, 5 times 200, 5 twos are 10. So 1000, 5 times 30, 150, 5 times 4 is 20. 1 second. All right. So I hope you are able to see now. 5 times 200, yeah, plus 5 times 30 plus 5 times 4. So 5 times 2 is 10 and 2 zeros here. 5 times 3 is 15, 1 0 here. 5 times 4 is 20. So 1000 plus 150 plus 20. That is 1170. Okay. Let's verify. Okay. Now I'll tell you how to do this. 5 times 4. So first we will do 5 times 4. Just forget about this. And then this will be the one that we have learned as of now. So 5 times 4 is, yeah, 5 times 4 is 20. 2 here, 0 here. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2, 16, 17. Now I'll not try 17 because we just forgot about that number for a while, but it's still there, right? So 5 times 4 is 20, 2 here, 0 here. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2, 17. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, 11. 1170. So both of the answers are same, hence verified. Okay? And that's how you are supposed to do this. Let's try another one. 7 times 658. So how to do it? 658 can be written as 600 plus 50 plus 8. Okay. So over here, we are going to do it like 7 times 600 plus 7 times 50 plus 7 times 8. 7 times 600 is 7 6 are 42. 4200. 7 times 50. 7 5s are 35. So 350 it is. 7 times 8 is 56. 4200 plus 406. So here 4606 means 4606. Let's verify. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 5 is 40. 7 times 6 is 42 plus 4, 46. 4606. I hope this is clear to you. Now, children, tell me product of 5 and 92. What is the product of 5 and 92? Come on. Let's do it. 5 and 92. Now, this must be very easy for you because now you have learned 3 digit by 1 digit. 460. 7 and 62. Product of 7 and 62. 434. Product of 6 and 43. 6 and 43. 258. 3 and 84. What's the product of 3 and 84? Come on, let's do this. So 3 and 84, 252. Product of 4 and 75. 4 and 75. 300. Product of 5 and 36. 5 and 36. Okay, so here it's 180, 5 6 are 30, 5 3 are 15, 16, 17, 18. So over here, let's now practice a few more questions of how to multiply a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. Okay, so here we go. 352 times 34. How to do this? Like how we multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Children, for now, just forget about this. Okay, sorry, wait. Just forget about the second number, this one. Now this will be very easy for you. Just forget about it for a while. We'll do it how we used to do simply. 4 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20. 2 here, 0 here. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Till here, we have learned. I repeat, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20. 2 here, 0 here. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Yeah. Clear till here? Now we just forgot about this number for a while, but we have to take it. Now, children, we have to go to the next line because we have to do the operation with the second number. 3 here, we have to multiply all the numbers by 3 now. Why we are going to the next line, what we have to do, I'll tell you. So as soon as you enter the next line, you have to put a 0. Because this is at tens place. The 3 numbers are tens place. If you will elaborate it, it will be 30 plus 4. So you are going to the next line here. And as soon as you enter the next line, you have to put a 0. Then start the normal multiplication. First put a 0, then start the normal multiplication. Now 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 here, 5 here. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. This was carried over, no? Now what we will do? We will add them all. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1. 11,968. I repeat how we did it. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20. 2 here, 0 here. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2, 14. Move to the next line because now we have to multiply with the other number. The other number is at tens place. So 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 5, 15. 1 here, 5 here. 3 times 3, 9. Plus 1, 10. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 here. So 11,968 is the answer. Okay. I hope it is clear to you now. Now, let's see a few more questions. Children, take it easy. It's not difficult, I'm telling you. It's not at all difficult. Once you will get a hold of it, you'll find it very easy. But first, you need to understand it properly. The concept you need to understand behind it. Okay? Now, 4 times 2. Sorry, 614 times 53 it is, no? So first we will multiply all the numbers with the first one. 3 times 4 is 12. So 1 here and 2 will come over here. Then 3 times 1. What is 3 times 1? It's 3 plus 1. It's 4. 3 times 6, 18. 1, 8, 18. Done with the first number? Yeah. Children, I'm using different colors to make you clear like what numbers I'm multiplying, how I'm multiplying. Now I'll enter the next line. And as soon as I enter the next line, what do I have to do? I have to put a 0. Now I'll start multiplying the other number. 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 2, 7. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay. Now I'm going to add it. But before we add it, let's quickly check our answer. Like, let's quickly check how we have done it. So 3 times 4 is 12. 1 here, 2 here. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. 3 times 6 is 18. Right? Now we have moved to the next line. When you move to the next line, you have to put 1, 0. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 here, 0 here. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, 7. 5 times 6 is 30. Yeah, 5 times 6 is 30. So I have written that. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 here, 5 here. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 3 here. So the answer that we have got is 32,542. Easy peasy? Yeah? Okay. Now let's move on to the next question, children. It's simple. First, you have to multiply with the first number with the all numbers. Next is you have to go to the next line and then multiply the second number with the other numbers. But make sure when you enter the next line, you have to put a 0. I am giving you some time to do this. It's very easy. Give it a try. Come on. Give it a try, dear children. Come on, come on. You can do it. I know. You can actually do it. Stay focused and you will be able to do it. I hope it's almost done. Even if you are getting confused, just give it a try. Okay, so first 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 here, 1 here. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 2, 30. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 3, 38. Okay. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 here, 1 here. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 2 is 30. 7 times 5 is 30. Plus 3. Wait, 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 3 is 38. Now, we have multiplied with 7. Now, we will go to the next number. And if we are going to the next number, we have to multiply. We have to put a 0. We have to go to the next line and put a 0. Now, 6 times 3 first, 18. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 1 is 25. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 2, 32. I repeat. 7 times 3 is 18. 1 here, 8 here. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 1, 20. Wait. Okay. Okay, wait. 6 times 3 is 18. 1 here, 8 here. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 1, 25. 2 here, 5 here. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 2, 32. Now we are going to add all of these numbers. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Wait, yeah. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 6, 3. Oh, what happened? Yeah. So the answer is 36,381. How many of you have got this answer? If you have, if you got this answer, that means you are doing a great job. And if not, dear children, no problem. Please try to like understand by understanding the concept which I told you, right? And just see, like, you know, the steps are very clear. First, you have to multiply with the first number, then the second number. And when you are moving to the next line, you have to check, like, you have to put a zero there. That's it. Okay. So don't worry, take it easy. Slowly and gradually, you will understand it. And we will be doing more practice of these questions in the next class. Okay. We will continue tomorrow with many more exercises. So even if you did not get it, you will get it. Don't worry about it. Okay. And children, as I already told you, we are going live on YouTube for all the sessions. Kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can get daily updates. Plus, you can chat with me through that chat box, which is down there under the video. You can find it there. You can give your answers in that chat box. You can ask me questions in that chat box. Please make full use of it, okay? Because that's the only way we can interact. All right. So yeah, children, that's all for our today's class. And I hope you understood whatever we have done today. I'll see you all very soon tomorrow. By the time, keep practicing, take care, and have a good day. See you. Bye-bye.